The agreement we signed is really, in terms of the size of the agreement, is not really a big one, but I think it's reasonable towards our target. So it's like 100 megawatt with an American company called W16. And this agreement is going to be executed in conjunction between the W16 and RIO, which is the renewable energy organization here in the country. And as I said yesterday and today in the conference, our government vision is to introduce the renewable into the energy mix for power generation. So our target by 2035 to increase this mix into 20% in the entire mix. And so this initiative is a step in the way for our target. You know, for us to hit the 1.6 target, we're focusing mainly on redevelopment of brown fields, so existing fields. So we're trying to redevelop those existing fields. You know, the like of major oil fields in Libya, the like of Dafa, Sirir, Misla, Amal, Ghani, and all these brown fields. So the redevelopment of those fields, drilling more wells in those fields, and having debottlenecking for the facilities and improving their operations, introducing operation excellence, improving the artificial lift is going to be the way to debottleneck and unleash the full potential of those fields. And as such, that would give us the immediate increase to 1.6. So in conclusion, we're drilling wells, we're retrieving shut-in wells, we're upgrading the artificial lift systems, and we're debottlenecking the surface facilities to achieve this immediate target. So we're not really developing new wells, new fields. Rather, we're redevelopment of the existing fields. We're working on most of the refineries, but the biggest refinery we have is Zawiya refinery. So our teams are working on the upgrade for Zawiya refineries, and there is a plan in place for upgrading the Zawiya refinery. And our teams are really investigating ways and means to do this upgrade, including floating it for investment and investors. So we're still assessing the mechanism which we're going to use to fund the project, but there is an upgrade for the Zawiya refinery project in place that we're pursuing. And at the same time, we're working in other refineries, the like of Sirir and Brega, and also Tobruk and Ras Lanuf. But we think the main focus is going to be on Zawiya, which is the biggest one, and then the Ras Lanuf as a second one. Thank you very much, and I think the conference was great opportunities to showcase where we used to be and where we are today on the landscape of energy. I think Libya is retrieving its position on the energy landscape. We were very proud of what we achieved yesterday, signing this re-entry agreement with our partners in one of the biggest subsidiaries, Waha. That would give us an immediate uplift in the production of circa 500,000 barrel oil equivalent, and an investment of $20 billion over the next 20 years, which we really think would stimulate big time the economy, create more job opportunity, and it's something that the country has long waited for. And at the same time, we think the conference covers the signing of a very important agreement with the second largest company in the States, which is Chevron, and this MOU would definitely facilitate the investment opportunity for some of the brownfields, some of the exploration opportunities, and greenfield opportunity, introducing new technologies to our industry here, and having strategic partnership with American companies. Last but not least is the memorandum of understanding we signed with our neighboring company, which is neighboring country, Egypt, which is again a strategic memorandum of understanding that will pave the way for cooperation, collaborations in all energy sectors. In the exploration and production, in the midstream, in the downstream, as well as the renewables. So we think the conference was a great opportunity for us to showcase, the development that we have in the sector, and to showcase that the world is now trusting our investment environment, and they're coming back heavily to invest in Libya. The last but not least message that I wanted to put out for everybody, that we're very open for business. We're here to do business with all international companies, and we stand ready for any challenge. I think the country is pretty much open for business now, and yesterday was a testimony of what I'm saying now. Thank you.